Hello and welcome to the Pound Trader. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I will be bringing you trades on the British Pound USD, which is the only pair I trade. Welcome to the channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be sharing my trades of the week. Alright, so now the British pound, you can see it was in a range last week, so that's April week 2, 2023, and we can see it broke out of the range and then came back for a sort of retest. Now, I was really looking for a buy, and so on the 4-hour, we could see that there was a bullish candle that printed on that zone, and we could also see that it was a 50% fib level and yeah, you can see that the candle printed there, and so many people were watching for these buys, and so was I. Sorry, let me just delete that. All right, so this is April 10th. I've put this bar here to symbolize the start of the new week, and so I will be showing you how I approach my trades. I normally start by putting a line here, a horizontal line, to signify the previous day's low, so just about there, and the previous day's high, and then I start looking for zones within here. And also, guys, I trade on the 1-hour time frame. All right, so let's go. So the session just opened there, and I normally start trading 2 hours before London session. So we could see there was a rejection at that zone there, and as I said, I was looking for buys. I was convinced that it was a buy, guys, and you could see the 4-hour candle printed, and so I entered here. I entered after this second pin bar, guys. I am a conservative trader, so I traded there for a 1 to 2, and I was really confident. As you could see, it started going into profits. And let's watch and see what happens. So, guys, that was a loss. It was a loss. I really don't know what happened because I think it was just going down for a deeper retracement. But, it is what it is. That's trading. I got an L there. Yeah, so we can also see from the 4-hour, it went straight down. And of course, I adjusted my trend line accordingly because that was the next day. All right, so moving on to Tuesday now, and you can see I also put session breaks to just signify the day's end, but I don't do it on the 4-hour. All right, so here I will adjust my zone, so I'll change this color to black because that's a normal zone for me, and here I will change the color to red because that's the previous day's low, and I'll also adjust this. So that was an L, guys. I'll also move forward. So here, what was I looking for? Let's see. I was looking for a buy still because as you can see, it was still trending up. Yeah, and this was a higher high made over here. So yes, that's why I just did the trend line. So I was looking for a buy. All right, so let's go. So this is Tuesday. So typically when, as you can see, there was a rejection here at the previous day's high. If I was looking for a buy, I would be typically looking for something like this. I would be looking for it to break this high, come down for a sort of retracement at this zone, and then now looking for a move up. All right, so that didn't happen. So let's just wait and see. Oh wait, it did actually happen. All right, there we go. So guys, just to mention, as you can see here, it broke. I look for it to break yesterday's high. That's the only way I'll know that if it's going for a buy, right? But if it closed somewhere down here, I'd probably be looking for a sell. But this was a signal that it was to go up. Now, I have a little rule in my strategy to not trade past 9 p.m. So just past the New York overlap. But as you can see, this was a perfect break and retest of the trend line as well. But I didn't enter this position. I was waiting for the next day because I am an intraday trader. And as you can see, I was just about to go and approach Wednesday. So I would adjust my zone like this. This is what I did. And then I adjusted my low there. And then I looked for another zone. So yeah, around there. All right. So Tuesday, no trade for me. Okay. Now this is Wednesday. I was looking for, since I was looking for a buy and also moving on to the 4 hour, I was waiting for a retracement and then take it up for a buy over here. So I'd be waiting for a bullish candle there. So I was waiting. I remember I felt so bad that I didn't take my trade at 9, but it's always good to follow your strategy. And here there was a news event that happened, but I still said, you know what? I could see a rejection at this level over here. It was a somewhat fib retracement. Let's see, almost 38.2, not bad. I normally don't like to take these big bullish candles, but I also have a rule in my strategy that if a candle is not more than 70 pips, I'll take the trade. So this one, my stop loss was around 50 pips, which is okay. My stop loss was just around here, and I took this trade, and let's go. I'm going to increase the speed here because it took quite a long time. And there we go. So this was moving on well. I was pretty excited. And let's see. So that's Thursday now, and TP was hit. Now, guys, I'm gonna tell you the truth. I ended up closing this trade somewhere around here because, guys, I am still working on my psychology. My psychology is in the gutter. So yeah, I'm learning to be more patient, but I was like, I know, what if it retraces? And I don't know, right? And even you can see here in the 4 hour, I was a bit panicked, guys, but as I said, in my bio, I am a beginner trader. I am looking to learn from all of you. And you can see on the 4 hour, let me zoom this. Yeah, the TP was hit, but I closed somewhere here for just probably 50 pips or something like that. And yeah, but that's just how it is. So there it was. So that was a win for Wednesday. All right, so now moving on to, this is Friday. Yeah, so this was a 2-day hold, guys. This took 2 days to hold, and I think that's why I panicked and didn't want to hold the trade. But such is life, okay? All right, so as I said, I'm going to change the color of the high and low. So here we are. Change the color and then look for normal zones within that area. I'll delete that because I don't want too many things. So here I put my zone just around there. And on the 4 hour, I saw a big red candle here, but I was still looking for buys. I didn't know that it was going to retrace all the way up to over here. So I was looking for a buy, guys. And you know, yeah, it just went flying. There was a news event here. I think it was the job release. I'm not too sure. But yeah, it went straight down. You know, if I entered this according to my strategy, I could see a zone here, which is around the Asian session low. I would have probably taken this trade going down, but I wasn't confident because taking this counter trade just seemed a little tricky. I thought it was just going to go down to around here, but it went all the way down here, which was a win, but I did not take that trade because I was just not convinced on the 4 hour. So, yeah, that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. My next video will be me giving a forecast of what I'll be looking at the GBPUSD trades the coming week. So stay tuned for that video. This is my first video, guys. Let's subscribe if you've liked this video. It was, yeah, you can see a loss and a win here. So 1% profit, not bad, but it also wasn't 1% because I didn't hold the trade. Yeah. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be sharing more details about my trading strategy, and I hope we'll learn together. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video. See you on the next one.